You're able to track the progress of all the different sections of your business. You can have like a page for product research, video creation, Facebook ads, and all your different teams linked to these different sort of Trellos. Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we'll be talking about the management softwares that I highly recommend you guys to use. If you guys have like over 10 employees and starting to scale and things are getting all over the place, you're gonna wanna watch this video, especially if you have a pretty decent sized team of virtual assistants or employees. And if you guys watch to the end, the third software that I recommend, it's a game changer. You guys are gonna wanna watch to the end to see that. Before we get to today's video, let's firstly start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting courses with me. The winner's here. If you guys wanna qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, let's get into today's video. So the top 3 management softwares that I highly recommend you guys to use and implement when you exceed over 10 employees. Number 1, Slack. Slack is an amazing communication software. Basically, it's keeping all your communication into one place. You don't want to communicate with everyone on Skype, Messenger, Gmail, WhatsApp, like it's just all over the place. You want to keep everything in one platform where everything is just streamlined and you have all your team members in sync using the same communication software. 3, it offers a great search function which allows you to be able to go back to every single message in every single group. Like if you have everything in one sort of software and you're talking to all your different teams and you wanted to search something like Creative One, it'll be able to show you all the messages within your product research group, your creative team group, your Facebook ads group, and help you find Creative One. So it's very powerful keeping everything in one place. 4, you're also able to offer calls. You're able to do team calls, video calls, individual calls, so it's just like Skype but better. And you know, it's a great team communication software. Like you're able to really create many different groups. It's just very professional and all the top tech companies use Slack. 2, HelpScout. This is amazing customer service software. You're able to keep all your emails in one software, whereas a lot of people still use Gmail, but that's not good because now you're sort of confusing your customer service emails, your consumer emails, your business emails. HelpScout can organize everything and just really streamline things for customer service, where you could onboard your customer service reps and they'll be able to use it with ease, and it has like sort of automatic ratings so customers can rate how well your customer service is doing their job with their replies, and I highly recommend using it for customer service. On top of that, it has a doc section which you can see on the top header, mailbox docs, which basically allows you to upload all your workflows and templates. So you know how like you train a virtual assistant, you give them a doc which has all your customer service default replies and templates, and they sort of have this doc and then they have Gmail open. Well, now everything is in one platform. It's just very streamlined. So you can have literally a bunch of different docs for how to, you know, deal with refunds, how to deal with annoyed customers, how to deal with people asking certain questions. Everything can be within this sort of doc FAQ sort of section, which is on the same platform where they're replying to emails. So you can see how it's very streamlined. They won't have to have 2-3 different documents with your different templates for refunds, returns, angry customers, PayPal disputes. Everything will be on one platform with the emails. So basically all your required customer service SOPs are in one software. And then on top of that, you're able to create amazing FAQ website / pages. Basically, you're able to create a knowledge base which looks exactly like this. A lot of top companies use a knowledge base just like this for their customers, so you don't have to go ahead and reach out to their customer support. You just go to their knowledge base, search up questions, and get the answers right there. And then it's really good for Google SEO, and basically you're able to create separate knowledge bases for your customers and employees, and this will take a lot of strain away from you. Like now you'll be getting asked way less questions because you have this amazing knowledge base that you can just keep building up and up and up, and every time you get asked a question, put your answer into that knowledge base and just build it further. And lastly, 3, I love this, Trello. Trello is one of the most productive softwares ever. Like every single entrepreneur uses Trello, and I highly recommend you to do it even if you're not at that 10 plus employee, because it's just an amazing app. Basically, it's an amazing product management software. You're able to track the progress of all the different sections of your business. You can have like a page for product research, video creation, Facebook ads, and all your different teams linked to these different sort of Trellos and sort of flows. And then each flows, you're given this great visual flow that everyone a part of that sort of flow gets a visual streamlined overlook of all the revisions, tasks, if something's in progress, if something's being checked, and then if something's finally done. And people can move different sort of tasks to different folders. You can bring it down the line, and it's just amazing visual flow. Things don't get cluttered in your mind, and like it just lays everything out in a clear table that everyone a part of that flow can see. And it's amazing how you could have a Trello flow for each different part of your business. And you know, it's an amazing to-do list for your overall business. I highly recommend it. But yeah, that is the 3 apps, Slack, HelpScout, and Trello, that I highly recommend anyone that's scaling their company and starting to hire many virtual assistants, starting to hire many employees, to highly implement, because this is really going to change your business and allow you to scale with ease and just leverage software. You know, we're sort of in a modern age of technology. Why wouldn't you want to sort of leverage these amazing softwares that are given to us? Question of your day: what's your favorite software? Drop it in the comments below. My favorite software is probably Trello. I want to hear about your favorite software, something that you're currently using. You know, whether it's YouTube, ClickFunnels, Shopify. Those are the simple ones, but drop in the comments below your favorite software. Furthermore, if you guys want these slides, they're completely for free in the description below. I'm not asking for anything. I just want to give you guys as much value, and these slides come with this video, so get it in the description below. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell if you guys want an early edge on every single subscriber I have. If you hit the notification bell, you'll be able to get these value packed before everyone else and apply them straight away, and that's how you sort of get your edge when it comes to business. So be sure to hit the notification bell. Other than that, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you watching today's video, and hope you guys are having an amazing week. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with another valuable video. Peace.